Hello, my name is Welsh Nomad. I'm hiking the AT this year, and I absolutely love my Hennessy Hammock. I just upgraded and I got the storm cover, which I can't wait to try out. And I think that the Hennessy Hammock is the best invention ever. I have to think that that Mr. Hennessy is a genius. I have to say that. I'm embarrassing him, and I know that. But I really think it's the best thing. I can just hang it up whenever I want to take a break. I've cooked lunch by a stream, had my hammock up and relaxed. People hike by and they're all jealous of me and everything. So I think it's the best thing ever. Thank you.